Hey, bud.
Hi guys, it's Brick Building Kids, and today I will be building the Lone Ranger set 79109. It is recommended for ages 8 and up. It has 587 pieces and it's called the Colby City Showdown. It's got a bank and a research area with a jail, and it has a key for it. Let's turn it around. It also comes with the Lone Ranger, Tonto, Dan, Reed, Frank, and Ray. I think that's right. I don't think it's Rad.
All right, very good. Well, let's get this unboxed and see what it looks like put together. All right, bud. You have got bag 1 and 2 done.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So this comes with this little push cart.
Oh, this comes for that bag.
Oh no, it does not. We were joking. All right, bud. This is bag 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have the sheriff's office. It's got some pretty cool hidden features.
Like, where?
Little cannon.
This doesn't work.
That doesn't work. Sure it does.
How about we try putting it in the other way?
All right, and we're trying again. There we go. All right. So let's look back here. Seen the front? Let's check out the back. We got a little jail cell here with some dynamite on the side. We've got Tonto inside. Looks like we got a little sheriff station set with a gun, handcuffs, and a seat.
I'm gonna break out of jail.
Let's turn that around and break out of jail. Turn it around, bud.
Ah, the fence broke.
Stick 'em up, partner. Oh no, I got some dynamite. I ain't no more stick that up. You sir need to give me your guns, because I don't have those cool guns. Ah!
He suited the bag too.
Alright, alright. Let's turn this around. So here's the jail cell. And it's got a quick little pop in and pop out feature from the back side. So let's turn this way.
Watch this.
And watch Alex. Nice.
I need dynamite.
Need some dynamite. Alright. Alex, that's a really cool little set, bud.
I think minifigures move, see?
Sure. Alright. Now on to bag 2. Yeehaw!
Yeah, let's put...
Yeehaw, partner. We got this here bank done. Good job. The bank looks pretty cool from the front. Let's see her around back. And there's Noah. Oh no. The light fell on his head.
I'm still gonna break.
They're missing
He's
guys.
still gonna break out.
My money. I need to get the money, not the wall.
There's money in there?
Of course there is.
Of course there is. Can you pull that out? That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what the money is like on the inside. Okay. Looks like we got some silver and some $100 Lego bills. Very nice.
Missing guys. Some them.
That's a cool cart. Now let's check out these minifigures in this set.
Missing guys.
Bag in the.
Hi.
Oh no, I think there's somebody in the vault. You need to look in the vault.
Oh, wow, he did not escape. Alright, there's another cool feature here on the bank. So,
Where?
if someone's trying to get into the bank and you don't want them to, the bank sign falls. Alright, let's turn around. Let's check out the back again, bud. Alright.
There's outfits.
See, we have the little teller station here. And over here we have the vault. Now, if you know the security code, turn it so many times this way and then that way, and then knock twice and say, giddy up, partner. It will actually open up. Alright.
Yeah, let's put that wall back on.
Very cool, bud.
Now let's get the full ring. Bye guys, and please subscribe, yeehaw, and like for more videos. Bye, and have a good day. Have a great day.